guys, I am back with another video of you can probably tell by the song. It's speed it's what is this? This is turbo dismount. Forgot for a second. So I have all of these words, not these. Because they cost, and I don't like cost. But I have all of these worlds, and we're gonna go on one. I'm gonna go on this one. See what kind of video they're gonna have for me. Okay. Go back to the little print. I'm just side of my core. Okay, let's go to vehicles. Oh. Dude, if the police chases a police car, then that would be so hilarious. The police car chases the police car. What the? Oh, just like I got rear-ended. Oh, but it's still going. Look at this. Oh, I don't think it's good. Oh my God. There's nothing holding it. Ah, that stopped it, huh? Nope, it's still pulling out. Oh, come on. Golly, I'm gonna start using the police car, Mayor. Oh. It's a dead body. No. No. Okay, so we're gonna start this and try again. Okay, so this time we're gonna choose another vehicle. And let's see. Go to vehicles. Let's choose the motorbike. Yeah, this is gonna be way faster. Okay. And I'm gonna steer like this. Oh. Oh, well, that was good. Into a tree. Ow. Ah. Let's restart this. Dad, I'm sleeping. There we go. Change into first person view. I always want to know what it was like to ride a super bike. Eee! Tight turns, tight turns. Oh, there was a vehicle there. Oh, I feel pitiful. Oh, action cam. This high score though, so yeah. Props. Need to get a big humongous heavy duty truck. Yo boy, look at me now. Look at me now. Oh yeah, no, let's change this. Look at this. This is a peaceful day. Change positions. I am not pulling over. They're barely doing any damage to me. Look at this thing, it's still kicking. No, I want to drive. Oh. Okay. Let's try another map. See what they got first. No. Huh. This one. Let's do this one. Golly, they're like inches away. You know what we should try? Let's try Flappy Bird. Okay, let's see what Flappy Bird got. Flap, 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 flap. Let me stare. How much would I bet? Oh, we can put obstacles. So I'm gonna put speed bump, speed bump, speed bump. You ready? Ow. Well guys, that is going to be the end of this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Hey guys.